The Fijian dollar has been the currency of Fiji since 1969 and was also the currency between 1867 and 1873. It is normally abbreviated with the dollar sign dollar, or alternatively FJ dollar to distinguish it from other dollar-denominated currencies. It is divided into 100 cents. Fiji followed the pattern of South Africa, Australia, and New Zealand in that when it adopted the decimal system, it decided to use the half-pound unit as opposed to the pound unit of account. The choice of the name dollar was motivated by the fact that the reduced value of the new unit corresponded more closely to the value of the US dollar than it did to the pound sterling. The dollar was reintroduced on the 15th of January 1969, replacing the Fijian pound at a rate of £1 equals $2, or 10 shillings equals $1. Despite Fiji having been a republic since 1987, coins and banknotes continue to feature Queen Elizabeth II until 2013, when her portrait was replaced with pictures of plants and animals. In 1969, coins were introduced in denominations of 1C, 2C, 5C, 10C and 20C, with a 50C coin issued in 1975. The coins had the same sizes and compositions as the corresponding Australian coins, with the 50 cents matching the cupronickel dodecagonal type introduced in Australia in 1969. In 1990, new compositions were introduced, with copper-plated zinc used for the 1 and 2 coins, and nickel-plated steel for the 5C, 10C, 20C and 50C. An aluminium bronze $1 coin was introduced in 1995, replacing the $1 note. 2009 saw the introduction of a new smaller coinage from 5 to 50 cents. These were struck by the Royal Canadian Mint and are made with the 3-ply electroplate method. The 1 and 2 cents were also discontinued and withdrawn the same year. A thinner brass-plated steel $1 coin was later introduced in 2010, gradually phasing out the older type. In 2013, Fiji released a whole family of new coins, with fauna themes, and without the Queen's portrait. This new series saw the introduction of a $2 coin, replacing the corresponding note just as the $1 coin had done before. This coin faced controversy due to being too easily mistaken as a $1. As it was only slightly larger of the same color, it was replaced by a larger and thicker Spanish flower-shaped $2 coin in 2014. The metallic content of both the $1 and $2 was also changed in 2014 for better durability and resistance to wear after widespread complaints of the coins corroding and turning black. In 1867, the government treasury issued $1 notes. These were followed by notes for $1, $5, $10, $25 and $50 issued between 1871 and 1873. Also between 1871 and 1873, King Saru Epenisa Kakbao issued notes in denominations of $12.5, $25, $50, $105. Levuka issued $1 and $5 notes during the 1870s. On the 15th of January 1969, the government introduced notes in denominations of 50 cents, $1, $2, $10, and $20. The $5 note was not issued until 1970. The Central Monetary Authority took over the issuance of paper money in 1974, issuing the same denominations, although the 50C note was replaced by a coin on the 3rd of March 1975. In 1986, the Reserve Bank of Fiji began issuing notes. The $1 note was replaced by a coin in 1995. The $50 note was introduced in 1996, followed by a $100 note on the 10th of April 2007. Banknote denominations in circulation as of 2017 are $5, $10, $20, $50 and $100. 2002 Millennium. 2000 $2000 Millennium. 2017 $7. Victory of the Fijian Sevens rugby team at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. 2020 $50. Fiji's 50th independence anniversary. On the 16th of August 2005. Finance Minister Ratu John Kubuabola announced that the cabinet had approved the introduction of a $100 banknote in the withdrawal of the 1 and 2 cent coin, as the minting cost exceeded its face value. Kubuabola said that the $100 banknote would measure 156 times 67 millimeters, with the other banknotes receding at 5 millimeters towards the lowest banknote denomination. The portrait of Queen Elizabeth II would remain on all banknotes. He added, obviously in answer to calls from some politicians to remove the Queen's portrait from the currency. After 18 years as a republic, Fiji is, however, a member of the Commonwealth, and Queen Elizabeth is recognized as paramount chief of the Great Council of Chiefs of Fiji. Her portrait was updated to a more mature one, which was released in 2007, becoming the fourth portrait of the Queen to appear on Fijian currency. In 2009, the demonetization of the 1 and 2 cent coins was made official and a new coin set of 5, 10, 20, and 50 cent coins with reduced size were introduced. The old coins based on the Australian size standard were withdrawn from circulation. The reformed coins were introduced to save on production costs. The new 50-cent piece is also round with wreathed edges rather than 12-sided. On the 2nd of March 2011, it was announced that Fiji would drop Queen Elizabeth II from its coins and notes, instead opting for local flora and fauna. The removal was seen as retaliation for Fiji's suspension from its full Me